bush people. Bush people. The thing is with us pretending welders, I'll say pretending welders. The thing is with us pretending welders, we like to keep welding every day if you can. So we want to be happy. Happiness, happiness, the greatest thing that I possess. I want to show you my penis. If I get away with that, I'm pretty fucking good. I got a bucket full of worms here. A bucket full of bits and blobs. There's no better way of getting rid of all this junk than to use it to make junk. And once you made junk, hey, did you happen to see the most beautiful guy in the world? And was he crying? So we got a spring, which I don't particularly want. We got these. You all know what they are, don't you? They're called core plugs. Thing is, I don't want to use anything I might want to use at a later date in life. And what I'm looking at is, sadly, I don't know. Oh, right there, we're getting somewhere. That would fit in there. We might have something going on. Well, I'm just going to have a go at it because I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to have a play around. He become heavy and one yon and tony yon. Something or other they seed. Do this all fucking day, can you really? And then you get the feeling, what the hell am I doing here? Look at this hammer. Baby's hammer. Sometimes it works. That sort of thing. Now don't forget I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, so no laughing yet. There seems to be a lot of people doing this sort of stuff, so I thought I'd have a quick go before somebody said, what the hell are you doing, Rod? Bastard. Stupid boy. Right, don't overdo it, people will start talking about you. Right. I knew that was hot, don't worry. I knew it was hot. I was just seeing if you knew it was on. Right, where's his other fucking leg? Which is... You see I always got it overwhelmed? Because I'm just scared it might fall off. And people will talk about you. If you're a welder, you've got to expect things not to go your way, ever. Anybody want a leg? What's that joke? Oh, ah, you bastard. Well, you're going to weld down on there. Something like that. Make it look like he's bending his knee. So, it stood up, it would have been a bonus ball, but it didn't. I'm going to try and weld a muscle on him. Trying not to burn myself, you see. I know it's overkill on the welding side of it, but I do like to make sure it's not going to fall off, you see. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I just fucking love it when it happens. You're going so well, you're going so nice, and then the tip gets stuck. Bastard. That's fucking hot, of course. Okay, we'll let that cool down. There's something on here I wanted. Right, we'll put an that on, maybe that'll weigh the front down a bit. Yeah. Fucking hell. I'm going to weld this on, but then I'm going to cut a bit off because it's a bit too big. A bit too tall, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, don't you? Percy Bassett, man. You should stand up now. Bertie, stand up, will you? Oh, sorry, Bert, I broke your fucking arm off. Could be worse, could be a leg. I broke his little arm. Okay, I welded it back on. He's lucky he knows a welder. He does stand on his own now. Come down, say hello to Bertie. Bertie said he's not very happy. He wants a smile. Let's see if I can cut him a smile. Bertie said he wants a goatee as well, man. Fucking hell, man. You're asking for a lot of fucking shit in your big. I don't know if I can give you a goatee. Right, there you are, Bert. Bertie's smiling and he got a goatee. What do you say, Bert? You got nothing to smile about? How's that, Bert? Now you got something to smile about. Yeah! You got a bell. Fucking hell. Bertie, where'd you get that from, mate? If that don't get me a trip out to fucking nut house, nothing will. I'm gonna cool him down in a bucket of water. Keep him at limbo. Bertie's happy. Right there, you got a long hair coming under his arm here. There you go, Bert. How's that? He's happy. Thanks for watching, and please, if you think I should be in a nut house, click the thumb. Got a thing going on. If ain't no really. I could be the most annoying fucker you've ever met.